Hello everyone, welcome back. You are watching the Data Labs. My name is Dilip. In this video, we will discuss about an employee activities tracker. So let's move to the folder. So in this folder, you can see that this is the employee activities tracker version 1.0, and it's a fully automated employee activities tracker. Okay, we will discuss all the features and how to customize this tool for you, as well as we will go through each and every modules and sub and the procedures as well as functions, so that you can understand all the codes and you can modify this tool for according to your requirement, right? And in this folder you can see that there is the MS Access database. Let's open this database first, and the password for this database is the data labs, basically. So THEDATALABS, data labs. Just click on OK. Now you can see that we have two table. One is activity log, and in activity log we have like serial number, dates, employee name, right? Activity type, and activity description, start time, end time, total time, submitted by, submitted on. So these are the columns which are available in activities log. And whenever you any of the employee or any of the user will use this tool, then entire details will get captured in this particular table, right? And the second table is drop down table. So in drop down table we have serial number, field name, and drop down. So basically, as of now, I am using activities code for drop down. But if you think that you need to add team name, and process name, like, and even geographical location, like country, zone and city, then you can add all those categories over here, and tool will and after doing minor modification in the coding part, and tool will start working according to your requirements. So let's minimize this tool, and we will and move to the back, basically, and just open the employee activities tracker. So let's enable the macro. You need to click over here to open the home form. So just click on, and now you can see that this is the form, basically home form. And here there is a message like good morning, Dilip Kumar Tiwari, right? So basically Visual Basic Code is picking the username from user login. So you do not need to worry about okay, who is using this tool, and whether that person is authorized or not. Here in this, like, there are three buttons. One is to manage drop down, and the export to Excel, and the third one is activity tracker. So with the help of manage drop down, you can add the activities name to the database, right? So as of now we have only break as activity code, and if you think that we need to add some more activities code in database, so that this tool will pick all those activities available in database to the drop down button, then you just need to utilize this feature. So let's move ahead, and again we will come back here to understand this better, right? And this is for export to Excel. So you just need to click on this button, and this button will provide some options to select the date range, and after selecting the date range you can export. But as of now we do not have any data, so that's why I'm not clicking over here. After adding 2 or 3 records, and then I will come back to again to this feature, and we will utilize this and discuss on it, right? And the third is activity tracker. So with the help of this button, we can jump to activities tracker. That's the actual tracker, right? So let's click on activities tracker, and once you click on activities tracker, this activity logger the window will appear, and this is fully automated activity tracker. So it has all the features like real-time summary, reports, and tabular view below in this table, basically, and capturing employee ID from the system and everything, so let's discuss let's discuss about all those features here. So here you can see that this tracker has picked my name, like here, with the help of login ID, right? And day in day out. So whenever you come to go to your office, and if you just want to start start your activities, then you need to just click on login button, and this is one time activity basically. So you need to perform one time, and whenever you at the day end, you just need to click log out, right? And once you click on login, let's click on login here. So once you click on login, you can see that there is additional, like there is a record available in our database, and now the same record is reflecting over in this table, right? And now you can see that logout button is enable and login button is disabled. So and here the login time has been captured in real time summary, and you can see that time is moving gradually by 1 second. So this is a real time summary, and this is actual activity because we have not selected any activities over here. That's why it's showing 00. Same goes for avail hours, right? And current activities, because we have not selected any activity. That's why it's showing current activity is 000. Okay. And apart from the all these button like logout is enabled, you can see that activities code is also enabled, activity description is enabled, right? And start time. So now it's this tool is providing providing options, so that now you are logging in the system, you can start tracking your activities. So let's click on this, and as of now we have only a break code. We do not have any other activities in this drop down. So let's click on break code and just give the like description like testing. Just click on start. Now you can see that the current activity has started. So here actual logins are showing like from last 1 minute 30 seconds or even 31 seconds, and from 10 last 11 12 13 seconds we are on break basically, right? And these are the these are total avail hours, because we have not no avail hours as of now, and actual activity because we have not you know uh, uh, end this activity. That's why it's showing blank. It means 000. And now in this particular table you can see that this is the login record. So this is still like it's a start mode, there is no end time capture, and that's the reason it's not showing total time. So here this is break code, start time is showing, there is no end time. It means this break code is like ongoing, and that's the reason it's showing total time is blank. So suppose as I am working on YouTube video, and I am I'm preparing a video, and I need a break code, activity code, basically YouTube video, right? Then what should I do? So for that I just need to click on end button. Okay, just once you click on end button, you can see that you notice that now end button, end time is available here, and total time is also available for the for that activity by like break. And again we need to click on logouts. Just click on logout. It will ask, are you sure or want to log out? Once you click on yes, then you will see that end time will get captured, as well as it will show the total time. So let's click on yes. Now you can see that both the time are reflecting here in this table, and the same details has been captured in the database. Let's move to the database. Here we have already opened this database, and click on activities log basically, and now you can see that both the activities has been already captured. So date, name, activities, like the first one was login, and the second was break, testing, and this is the start time basically, and these are the end time. These are the end time, right? And this is the total time, and the user was Dilip Kumar, and the submission time was the same has been captured over here. So when user started this activity, let's close this, and let's move to the activity tracker. So now as only break code is available as activity code, so let's close this activity tracker. And now we need to utilize this feature, the feature manage drop down. So with the help of manage drop down, you can add like the activity, as many activities as you want basis on your requirement, and that's it in real time mode. So you do not need to log out from this application. And even if your entire team is using this tool, and in meantime, like you need to add an activity tracker, then you just need to you just add the activities with the help of manage drop down, and the entire team, and then after that, that activity will start reflecting in the drop down for each and every team member. Okay, so let's click on manage drop down, and you can see that as of now, only activity tracker activities code over here. So as I already told you, that if you think that you need to add team name and some geographical geographical field like zone, city or country or process name, then you can also add, and with the help of new activities code, you can add those fields as well. So for doing that, you need to make some modification, minor modification in Visual Basic Code. So if you are comfortable, then you can easily do that, and if you are not comfortable, then you can send email to us, and we will definitely help to you, right? I will provide the email ID in description box, as well as all those all like employee activity tracker and database, the link of both the files, right? So let's focus on this, and let's add the activity tracker, that is a YouTube video basically. So I am typing YouTube video, right? Let's click on submit. So now you can see that it's showing new activities code has been successfully added, right? Click on OK. Just close this and go to click on activity tracker to now activity tracker is available. Again we need to do, because we have already logged out from the system. Now we need to log in. So once you will click on login, and then you can again the same way, it has captured the login time, and it has started actual login hours, right? And now in this drop down, you can see that earlier it was only break, but now it has YouTube video as well. So let's click on YouTube video, and give the description as testing, and just click on start. So in this way, you can see that current activities is showing, and it's gradually moving. Okay, and as we have earlier we had have two records. One was for login, and then one was for break. Again we logged out from the system, and again we are login. So now login time, start time has been already captured, but we have not ended the logged in, we have not logged out from this system. That's why end time is not showing over here, and the same goes for total time. And now our the current activities is YouTube video, right? So here end time is not showing, and same goes for total time, because we do not have end time, and that's why it's total time is blank. So this is all about adding activities, and using this tool, and there is no restriction, as many all of the team members can use this tool in simultaneously. They will not be impacted. You just need to keep this folder at a shareable shared drive, and just ask all the team members or all the employees to open this activity tracker and start using that, right? So let's close this after clicking. So suppose activities, YouTube activities is going on, and somehow you accidentally press click on close button. So once you click on close button, then it will it will not allow you to close, because see there is activities going on already, so you'll have to end. So let's just see this message: please click on end button to stop the current activity before closing this. So you can't close this application without stopping the current activity, right? So you just need to click on end and press yes. This is a confirmation message. Now you can see that YouTube videos, the start and as well as end time is available, and the total time is showing over there. But again we are not logged out from the system, and suppose you are just clicking over here. So it's asking please click on logout button, because see we have ended this activity, but still we are using this tool, and you can't close this tool without logged out from this tool. So first of all you need to click on logout button, and then press yes, and then you can close this tool, and it will not ask any confirmation from you. You will directly logged out from that application, right? And as you know that we have already added 2 or 3 records, even 4 records in our table. So if you just want to extract the information from database, then you do not need to go to the MS Access folder, Access file, and extract both the tables, even one table, that is activities table. You just need to click on the export to file over here, and it will take confirmation from you that do you want to export the activities login in Excel file, and you just need to click on yes. And then you can see that there is a small window appear on top of that, and you just need to select start date, end date. So let it be so here you can just say it's a very beautiful and calendar available. You can use this calendar in different project as well. This is fully customizable, and I developed this calendar especially for users. Okay, so you can use this calendar to pick any of the date. Let's select 16th. Now you can, that is the 16th, and let's select 18th over here. Okay, close it, and now click on OK. Once you click on OK, then it will start processing your request, and it will extract all those records from MS Access database to Excel file. And you can see like here the entire information has been extracted in a separate Excel file. Okay, so we, as of now, we have only 4 records. That's why it's showing the 4 records. But if you have 500 or 5000 records, it will show entire records basis on your date selection. Let's close this. So basis on this this Excel file, you can prepare the report and share with user. So this is very helpful. Okay? Right, so let's close this Excel file. So let's again go to the activity tracker, and let's start login. Okay, now suppose because see sometimes Excel gets hanged, right? And you need to close the Excel from a task manager. So what will happen if you close this uh, Excel by accidentally, or from task manager or somewhere else? So then in that scenario, it will whenever you start activity tracker again, then it will pick the last pending activities, right? And then it will start. So it will show the message. Let me show you first of all. Let me close over here and close the window basically, and just click on do not save. Basically no need to save over here, right? And just go to the folder. As there was an activity like I logged into the system, but I was not able to logged out because see I closed this Excel from directly. So ideally this tool should pick the last activity, that is the login. So let's click on enable, and once you click on this and activity tracker, right, then it will show a message that there was an unexpected logout loading previous pending activity. So because see at that time we didn't select any activities from drop down. That's why it's showing blank select activity code. But at that time we I was login in this tracker, and that's the reason it automatically picks the date and the time, basically login time, and showing the time like how many minutes or how many seconds have been passed over, like when we log in the system. And you can see that still end time is not showing over here. Total time is also blank, and the time is showing, the start time is showing the actual when we started, and after that we close this Excel application. So this is a very good application. It will pick the current last activities from like last activity if you close this application accidentally. And apart from like the home form, I have also provided export to Excel button over here. You just need to click. Suppose I am a user and I have started activities, and I am I have selected some activities. Then I do not need to log out from this form and just go to like and the previous form, the form like home form. I can extract the same information from here as well. So I just need to click on export to Excel, and once I will click on export to Excel, then it will show the same export to Excel file window, and that is in the same way you can use this calendar to pick any of the date and just click on OK, and it will start working in background and process your request based on your selection, like date selection, and it will provide the information in Excel file, that is a book one. So now you can see that these are the data available. So this is one of the best tool, like it's a fully automated tool, right? So let's log out from this application, and and let's understand the coding part. So let's close this again, just close this, go to developer tab, and in Visual Basic application, and the password is again the data labs, THEDATALABS. So you can open this application, the data labs is password. And these are the forms basically which I have used, like activity tracker, FRM home, manage drop down form, my calendar. So my calendar is separate tool though I have utilized in this tracker, right? And reporting port. So let's go with form like one by one. So this is activity tracker, this is in design mode, and this is form home. You can design and modify according to your uses. This is drop down, so drop down management form. This is my calendar, okay, and this is the reporting form again to select the date basically. So and these are the modules like export to Excel. So this is export to Excel sub procedure basically. All these codes has been used to copy and pasting raw data to Excel sheet, right? Export to Excel. While whenever you click on export to Excel, fetching data, so it's this code is used to fetch the data from database. You can go through each and every code, and make the amendment as per your requirement. Again, this is for form call. So as we are calling this form on Excel sheet, so we need to assign the macro on that particular button, and this procedure is for that purpose only. Get activity log. So we are just timer and all things. So this is only for activities where we are showing the real time is real time log over there. Again, we are showing all the activities in the below list box. Get drop down, again we are managing the drop down over here with the help of this code. This is for greeting message, where we are showing the user information on top of the home form, right? The last activity, this is only for whenever you accidentally close this application, and after that you try to log in that application, then it will automatically pick the last activity and login details, and it will start from that time. So these particular all these codes are handling that type of situation, right? And this is for today date, okay. And update activities, this is to update all those activities, right? Whenever you add some activity, like we added YouTube video, so this procedure is handling that task. It's update down drop down. So basically again the updating drop down, validating user inputs, right? So whenever you are like enabling or disabling some controls, like whenever you log in this application first time, then only login command button will be enabled, rest of will be disabled. So all these activities are getting handled by this validate user inputs like module. So all these related to the activity tracker. You can easily modify this tool, and this is very helpful. I will provide the VB password in description box, as well as database password, so that you can go through all those codes and make the modification according to your requirements. And if you think that if you are facing some difficulties in making changes, then please write email to us. Our email ID is the datalabs@gmail.com, and we will definitely help you. And I think this tool will be very helpful for you, basically, because see, as per my experience, in every office we utilize some time and motion trackers, and this is fully automated tracker where we are using the database, MS Access database. So there is no a restriction of number of users, and we can use, like, you can use this tracker in shareable environments. So that's the plus point of that. And a lot of features are available in this tool. So I think that without making any amendment in this tool, this is like a generic tool, right? So you can utilize this tool in the same way. If you think that this employee activity tracker is useful for you, then please do comments, and also share your thoughts. If you're looking for some new tool, basically some trackers for your office or for your for your team, then just put in comments box. I will try to develop uh, that application, and will upload a video on YouTube so that everyone can get benefited from that video as well as the tracker. So hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and comment. Have a good day. Bye bye.